Hi ladies, welcome back to the Style Studio. Today I want to talk to you about something people have been talking about for years and years and years. How do you get great curls or beachy waves? And so I just want to show you how I do it. And I've looked at a million tutorials and I've watched a million videos, and I'm going back to the tried and true, which is just what works for me. So find something that works for you, and if this is it, great, and if it's something else, great. But let me show you my steps. So the first thing is, on dry hair, I like to add curls on day 2 or 3 so that it gives me a different look. I don't like to have the same look every day. So this is day 2, maybe day 3. And I start off by, this is my favorite, it's by Oribe Mist Fine Restyling Spray. So it's gonna protect my hair from the heat I'm about to apply to it. Don't worry, we'll fast forward. Okay, and then I like to start up front, okay? It's a little nerve-wracking to do for you, so bear with me. So I'm gonna start up front, and I like to take like 1-inch sections, and I love the Hot Tools curling iron. I think it's one of the best. And I turn the heat up. I go all the way to 450. And then I start halfway down my hair and I twist, and I leave a little bit out at the end. And for me, I like to count to 8 to 10. Because my hair doesn't keep a curl very much. So if I count to 8 or 10, then I get the perfect little curl. Then the next section I'm gonna go the opposite way, and that's gonna give me kind of a tousled look or a beachy wave kind of look. But again, I start halfway down, I twist, I leave some out, I count to 10 or so. And then I'm gonna take my next section, and essentially I'm gonna go all the way around my hair. Now you can tell I'm not very particular if it's exactly an inch or... The front 2, I would say, are the most important places to do it, but then you just kind of let it go. And I try to get every hair in the mix. And then, so I'm gonna go all the way around my head. And this is the part we're gonna go fast to. Now we're gonna start the other side. So again, this front part is gonna go back. And then the next curl is gonna come forward. And just have a little bit hanging out. Okay, then when all my hair is done, I go back to see what curls didn't take. Like this one needs a little more love. So I just do that one again. And so does this one. And you don't have to be very precise when you go back in to give a little love. Okay, next step is I hairspray my hair. Oh, it's right there in front of me. So this is my favorite hairspray. It's Bedhead Hard Head. I think it's the best because it keeps my curls in all day and all night. So you hairspray your hair, and then before you put any other products in it, you make sure that it's not hot anymore. So you make sure that the curls set, which they almost are, and then these are my favorite styling products. So they're both by Oribe. This one is Feather Balm Weightless Styler. I love it because it helps hold the curl without weighing it down. And this is Gold Lust. It's nourishing hair oil. So it always makes my hair look shiny. So I just do a pump of each, move it around in my hands to get warm, and I start from the bottom and then I go to the top and I just kind of mess it up and then scrunch it a little bit. Oops, and there goes an earring. And then I go to the other side. I do one more squirt for both. And again, I start with the bottom and go down. And then I just kind of mess with it until it's in the shape that I like. There. And then I put a little more hairspray. And I'll do the other side. And voila, my version of beachy waves and curled hair. It's super simple. You can do it. Try it out, especially on day 2 or 3 hair. It'll allow you to not have to wash your hair every day. So have fun with it. Let us know any questions you have. And until next time.